Hi, very good afternoon. Hi, good afternoon, Pradeepa. Anu, good afternoon. Jayanti, hi. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Hi, Anusha. Thank you. Thank you. Hi, Soumya. Bagunara, ma'am. Hi, Kamachi, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Karunashri, ma'am. Hi. Good afternoon, ma'am. Happy Monday. Thank you so much, Kanimuli. Mahalakshmi, ma'am. Good afternoon. Ma'am, இன்னைக்கு எல்லாமே சூப்பரா இருக்கும் மேடம் கலெக்ஷன்ஸ். Don't miss the collections today. It's all awesome. Hi, Asha, ma'am. Video not clear. கொஞ்சம் வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க மேடம், கிளியர் ஆயிடும். டேட்டால தான் கனெக்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம், கொஞ்சம் வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க, it will be clear. I'm fine, Kalpana, ma'am. Now clear. Okay, okay, Devi, ma'am. Shweta, hi. Good afternoon, Shweta. Hi, Pooja. Thank you so much for all your likes, ma'am. Clear. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Hi, Suchitra. Good afternoon. So today we are going to see lot of beautiful collections, ma'am. Colorful and also full diamond finish. No, Devi, I'm Sukanya. Hi, Sukanya. Thanks. So sorry, pa. Sorry. Thank you, Kirti. Thank you so much. So 2 minutes, we'll start the live. Hi, Monica. I'm fine, Jayashri, ma'am. Hi, Aishwarya. Good afternoon. Hi, Megha. Bhargavi, hi. Hi, Jyoti. Good afternoon. Hi, Manjula, ma'am. I received my order. It's reached safely as usually. Quality are also good. Thank you, Gigi. Welcome, ma'am. Welcome, Manjula, ma'am. Hi, Padma. Good afternoon, Padma. I'm fine, dear. I'm fine. Hi, Maunika. Good afternoon. Thank you, Kirti. Thank you so much. Welcome you all. Thank you, Moni. Thank you. Thank you, Sujitra. Thank you so much. So shall we start the live today? So இன்னைக்கு ஏன் உட்கார்ந்துட்டு காமிக்கிறேன்னா உங்களுக்கு நியரா இருக்கும், நெக்லஸ் வந்து வியூ கரெக்டா கிடைக்கும். Today special all these types of beautiful collections, ma'am. All diamond finish, colorful collections. So we'll start with the live. So I am wearing the blue color with golden finish. So these are the collections which I am wearing now. This is baby pink. It's awesome baby pink. So we have all colors in this. This is baby pink with rhodium finish, and you have matching earrings also. This is the earrings which I am wearing, the same color. glass is fine. Huh? So this is the same earrings with baby pink. Vanakkam Savita ma'am. Kirti, most welcome to our shop, Kirti. This is baby pink. Thank you, Megha. Thank you. So we have 5 more colors in this. Next comes with the bottle green. So this is the bottle green. This is bottle green. Top la full pathina ungalku full white stones irukum. Thank you so much. Adhe neck piece da madam kaamichittiruken. Adile colors kaamichittiruken. Na vandu blue wear pannirken saree ku match. Hi Deepika, welcome. Idhula bottle green with golden color stones. Idu superb. I am fine Deepa. So adile pathina matching earrings irukku. So this is the matching. Idu ellame party wear. Party wear ku wear pannina superb irukku. This is priced at 3240. Hi Savi ma'am, good afternoon. Mahalakshmi, hi. Romba cute irukku designs parunga. Minute stone works irukku. Ungalku kutti kutti stones irukku. Keele ungalku color stones varum. Hi Vasundhara ma'am. And we have mint green and ruby also. All colors are available. Total of 5 colors irukku idhula. See, this is mint green. It's a pastel green. So this is also very beautiful. Romba cute ah irukum wear pannina. This is with diamond finish. It will be awesome piece. Namaste madam. It's a mint green. It's a very beautiful color combination. So next comes with the ruby color. Ruby is also very beautiful. This is ruby. Adhe same design which I am wearing. Neenga endha height ku vena adjust panikalam madam. Rope venna vechikalam, neenga back chain venna back chain potu kuduttaram. So I am wearing with the back chain only. Hi Kartika, this is blue color, which I am wearing is blue. And next I will show with the ruby color. This is very awesome ruby. Ella sarees mein match pannalam. See, this is ruby. It's very beautiful. Hi Priyanka, I am fine ma'am. Romba nalla iruken. This is ruby. Lights, thumbs up mattu pattadu, heart ends parakka vidnom. Heart ends venum. Hi Manisha ma'am. Good afternoon ma'am. Welcome. Thank you so much. So next comes with the delicate ones. Aduthathu pathina romba delicate ah. This is a delicate one. This is a simple necklace. ரொம்ப கியூட்டா இருக்கும். இது கிட்ஸ் கூட யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். நீங்க கிட்ஸுக்கும் வேர் பண்ணலாம், எல்டர்ஸும் போட்டுக்கலாம். So this is very awesome. Thank you Gayatri. மேல பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஃபுல்லா கலர் ஸ்டோன்ஸ். It's all cubic cutted stones. கீழ ஃபுல்லா உங்களுக்கு திலகம் ஷேப்ல உங்களுக்கு white stones இருக்கும். So you will be getting a beautiful earrings also for this. This is the earrings. Awesome piece. This is beautiful. It's a floral design ma'am. Florals mari kuduthirukanga earrings. You'll be getting a floral design. So I'll show in the back camera. So this is the necklace. பாருங்க எவ்வளோ சூப்பர்பா இருக்கு பாருங்க ப்ளூ கலர் ஸ்டோன்ஸ். யா நோ மேம், நாட் ஆஃப்டர் அ லாங் டைம், கண்டினியூ லைவ்ஸ் வந்துட்டு தான் மேடம் இருக்கு. See, this is a beautiful dark blue with white stones. சூப்பர்பா இருக்கும், மைன்யூட்டா இருக்கும், ரொம்ப மைன்யூட்டா இருக்கும் ஸ்டோன்ஸ். And you will be getting a beautiful earrings also. This is the earrings. This is priced at 2320 madam. Hi Bhuvana. 3220. See, sorry, 2320. 2320. That's awesome, beautiful glassy stones. Wow, wow, superb, superb. இப்படி பறக்க விட்டுட்டே இருங்க மேடம், ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு பாக்குறதுக்கு. ஐ எம் சோ ஹாப்பி டு see you all in live again. This is blue color. Next we'll go with the bottle green. Next comes with the bottle green. See, this is bottle green. This is also very beautiful. மேம் இது எல்லாமே கோல்டு ஈக்குவலா இருக்கும் மேடம். பாருங்க எவ்வளவு சூப்பர்பா இருக்கு. See the finishing of the necklace. 2320 with the same earrings we get. This is the earrings, green color. So I'll show the green also. This is the green. See, this is the green color. It's very beautiful color. My brother's marriage is very soon. I want beautiful neck piece on lehenga for reception. Yeah ma'am, you can come and take it. See, this is the green color. Superb green. Next we'll go with the mint green ma'am. We have mint green also in this. Same combination. Mint green will also be awesome color. Yeah, we can deliver to all the states ma'am, don't worry. This is mint green. It's a pastel green color. Wow, superb. Thank you so much for all your loves ma'am. Thank you, thank you. This is mint green. So you will be getting a diamond finish with mint green stones. I'll show in the back camera also. See, this is the mint green. You can take a screenshot and come to my WhatsApp number ma'am. My WhatsApp number is displayed on the screen. You can go through the WhatsApp number 73977399200. Will you send if? Yeah, we can send, Catherine ma'am. We are sending the parcels. You can order ma'am. You can place your orders now. Is it clear now? So we'll go with the diamond finish ma'am. Next I want chain with Mogappu dear. Ma'am, Mogappu chains ella shop ponanu madam after Wednesday ma'am. So this is a full white color. Full white rhodium finish. It's all diamond finish. Romba beautiful. It's very beautiful. Awesome designs. It's very beautiful with see the finish. This is all full of with white stones. Yeah, I want baby chain. Yeah, baby chains are available ma'am. Very beautiful with the back chain. You will be getting with the adjustments itself. So whoever can wear this, neck பெருசா இருந்தாலும் போடலாம், இல்ல small neck இருந்தாலும் நீங்க adjust பண்ணி போட்டுக்கலாம். rope வேணா rope fix பண்ணி கொடுத்துறலாம் உங்களுக்கு. So this is awesome and you will be getting a beautiful earrings also for this. The அப்படியே diamond look இருக்கும் நீங்க போட்டீங்கன்னா. You will be getting an exact diamond look. This will be priced at 2280 ma'am. Awesome color. So this is a piece. and you will be getting earrings. And this will be priced at 2,280. You can take a screenshot and come to my WhatsApp number, ma'am. Next comes with a beautiful geometric design. இது பாத்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு ரவுண்டா வரும், சர்க்கிளா இருக்கும். And one floral and one circle you will be getting in this. See the design. One floral you will be getting and one geometric shape. So it's very awesome piece. And earrings பாத்தீங்கன்னா அதுக்கு மேட்சா ரொம்ப கியூட்டா கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Awesome earrings. So this will be priced at 2,150. So this is the piece. And this is the earrings. 2,150. One sec, ma'am. I'll adjust the lighting. So please wait for 2 minutes, okay? I'll adjust with the lighting, ma'am. One sec. Yeah, now you can see the clear view. Is it okay for you now? Is it clear now, ma'am? Can you anyone say it's clear now? Lighting is okay? Please reply, ma'am. Hi, Durga. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. So next comes with the beautiful leaf cut designs. One sec. See, this is the leaf cut designs. Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Shalu, ma'am. Thank you so much, Savi, ma'am. So this is very awesome piece. Don't miss this, ma'am. Romba cute irukkum idu. You'll be getting beautiful collections. So this is very beautiful piece with square cut. It's very awesome design also. உங்களுக்கு அப்படியே டிட்டோ டைமண்ட் டிசைன் மாதிரியே இருக்கும் மேடம். உங்களுக்கு கோல்டு போட்ட மாதிரியே தான் இருக்கும். உங்களுக்கு இமிடேஷன் மாதிரியே தெரியாது இது. If you wear this, it will be very grand and looking grand. Hi Lakshmi ma'am, good afternoon. See the design? It will be very clear also. I'll show in the back camera. So this is the design. It's very awesome. எவ்வளோ நீட்டா ஃபினிஷ் பண்ணிருக்காங்க பாருங்க. நீட்டா இருக்கும், லுக்கும் ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கும். So this will be priced at 2250. 2250 rupees. And earrings will be very awesome for you. This is the earrings. Cute earrings. Workmanship will be very good, ma'am. Superb workmanship. ஒவ்வொன்றும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா minute stones work பண்ணிருக்காங்க. This is the back finish. And this will be priced at 2250. We have multiple pieces, ma'am. You can place the orders. 2250. And next comes with the geometric design. So இதுவும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு circle வரும். Yeah, I'm fine, Shanti ma'am. Superb designs. Thank you so much. So this is also very awesome. This is also very beautiful with the earrings. ரொம்ப கியூட்டா இருக்கு பாருங்க. வேர் பண்ணாலே ரொம்ப ரிச்சா இருக்கும். You wear for silk sarees, it will be very good, ma'am. Hi Ashwini. So how cute and delicate ones. It's all thin ones, ma'am. So nice necklace. Thank you. This is very beautiful and earrings will be awesome, ma'am. Superb earrings. And this will be priced at 1770. This will be priced at 1770. Superb white stones. எல்லாமே diamond finishல இருக்கும். நீட்டா இருக்கும் உங்களுக்கு finish. Aruna ma'am, antique necklace I have shown 2 days before, ma'am. You please WhatsApp to my number, ma'am. நீங்க பேஜ்ல போய் செக் பண்ணிட்டு சொல்லுங்க மேடம். And next comes with the floral ones. This is also very beautiful. Hi Pavitra. பாருங்க எவ்வளோ நீட்டா இருக்கு பாருங்க. ஒவ்வொன்றுமே அவ்வளோ grand look இருக்கு. So it's very beautiful and earrings will be like floral designs. Thank you Revati ma'am. Thank you. So this is the earrings. See how beautiful it is. You can take a screenshot, ma'am. Screenshot எடுத்துட்டு அப்படியே WhatsApp வந்துருங்க. This will be priced at 1630, ma'am. 1630. 2 mm C pearl. Savi ma'am, after Wednesday, ma'am. For pearls and all, you please WhatsApp to my number after Wednesday, ma'am. So I am doing lives from my home only, ma'am. No shop open panla. So next comes with a beautiful one. This is also a diamond finish. See how beautiful it is. You will be getting awesome earrings also. Collections are very, very superb. Thank you, ma'am. This is the earrings. Cubic cut ruby bangles available. Yeah, available, Shanti, ma'am. So this is also beautiful. So this will be priced at 1920. 1920 rupees. Floral kuduthirukanga. You will be getting a floral in that pendant. On side full, you have full of white stones. 1,920 rupees. Yeah, Manjula ma'am, it will be good. Looking grand look, ma'am. All age group can wear this, ma'am. Ella age group mein wear panla. So next is also a very awesome piece. This is also fully of diamond finish with solitaire stones. வணக்கம் சகோதரி, எப்படி இருக்கிறீர்கள்? உங்கள் உடை மிகவும் அருமையாக இருக்கிறது. நன்றி மேடம், நன்றி. Awesome Lekha garu. Thank you Nilima. So this is also beautiful. How glittery it is. பாருங்க எவ்வளோ shining இருக்கு. So this is also very beautiful. And you will be getting awesome earrings. Pavitra, crystal stone 2 layers available, Pavitra. You will be getting it this design. Top you will be getting a leaf design, and in the bottom you will be getting solitaire stones. Thank you Navya ma'am, thank you. Share pannunga, page share pannunga. Please share my page ma'am. This is priced at 1,990. 1,990 rupees. Superb collection. Thank you ma'am. And next comes with the beautiful floral ones. This is also beautiful floral. Side full of pathina leaf cut designs. You will be getting a leaf cut designs and beautiful floral ones here. And earrings will be ditto to diamond finish. Price, yeah, wait ma'am, one sec. This is priced at 1,400. 1,400. 1,400 rupees. Multiple pieces available, ma'am. Navya, 1,400 Navya. This is the design. 1,400 rupees. So you will be getting a back chain also in the full back chain. 1,400. And this will be the earrings. How is the earrings, ma'am? Thumbs to heartens varla. No thumbs and no heartens are coming. So this is very beautiful earrings. 1,400 for this full set. So we have done with the full white stones. Now we'll go for colorful collections again. It's all floral types. Superb, thank you. So this is a full floral cut designs. How beautiful it is. Yeah, Pavitra, all colors are available in that. So this is the earrings. It's very awesome, ma'am. Superb design. It's a mint green. We have all colors in this. This is priced at 2,100. 2,100 with 5 colors. We have 5 colors in this. I'll show on the back camera also. See the color. It's all floral designs. It's a mint green with white color stones. Hi Manimeghale ma'am. Welcome ma'am. So this is a beautiful earrings also. Very awesome. Hi Rati ma'am. Welcome. After a long back. This is the earrings. 2,100 for this full set. Thank you ma'am. Thank you so much ma'am. The 5 colors irukku. I'll show the colors also now for you. In both finish it's available ma'am. We have in diamond finish and also in golden finish. This is 2,100 Monica. So this is a maroon color. It's a ruby color. Pavitra, we have posted the crystals last week. Pavitra, you please go through the page. Super. Price please. This is 2,100 with the earrings. Now, all colors mein back camera liye kaamichidra madam. Back camera liye paathirunga all colors mein. We have 5 to 6 colors in this. See, this is ruby color. It's all floral cut. Oh, thank you Rati ma'am for supporting us. This is ruby. Yeah, this is red stone necklace ma'am. So, more wine red ah irukum ungalku paakuradhukku idu. Next comes with the blue color. This is dark blue. Thank you Nilima. This is dark blue color. 2,100. And we have bottle green and baby pink. This is bottle green. This is bottle green. And next comes with the baby pink. This is baby pink. It's very mild color ma'am. It's also very neat and delicate look. I'll show you on my neck also. See, this is the baby pink. Romba beautiful. It's very rich also to wear. Thank you. This is baby pink. So this is 2,100 with the earrings ma'am. You'll be getting with the beautiful earrings 2,100. So very awesome pieces. Don't miss this collections. I'll send a full video also. I'll post a full video now. So I'll be posting all the videos now. So you can see the clear pics and with the prices also. This is signing off from Lekha Morgan. See you on next live tomorrow. Tomorrow also we have the live ma'am. So lockdown finish agar varki daily mein live irukku. Bye bye. See you ma'am.